and halogen class 10 BCSE. Hello, so equation is plus 2NaCl if Cl2 plus 2NaI. So question says, is this equation possible? Justify similar. So any equation possible iga mega tani kitilo number beruka chipita ko mosla wachin. So this is halogen. Ani kachilola halogen. Ani Cl dianga chimo. It is also halogen la. Tani halogen chi pa display space uga misuga tagola. So always chi be yemi halogen ge combine be yemi halogen da today. And now the iodine the combine mabe the chlorine has combined and it has formed sodium chloride and the law is this reaction possible silab the namra bero single yemi halogen ge combined be me halogen di display space uga misuga and this is machi tagup dani institution la namra bero and sim ga shana ta ani be the law ani tani gi deno kachi shego mos lawchin we have to know this lane. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine se ani shegola. So down the group reactivity will decrease. Same concept shigola. So down the group reactivity will decrease means ya talo yemigi down the group reactivity will decrease means and talo yemigi and hogisu display space upse and which means fluorine will displace chlorine will also displace bromine will also displace iodine. So display space of the reaction is going to take place. The line chlorine ki bromine displace plus so chlorine ki iodine displace space hola. The bromine ki iodine displace space. So if the display space subachin reaction is going to take place. They were the low. So holo yemigi ta ki namra bero display space mesola. So when the display space masubachin reaction will not take place in. So holo yemigi target displace bemesu displace mobile the reaction bemesu sichunina and madala down the group reactivity will decrease chungla migosla ta nam besu mosla wachin ta analyze shegop didero only the which means down the group reactivity will decrease cell of the low ya target it is most reactive, this is the least reactive. So on the low only the highly reactive halogens will displace the lowest reactive halogen masla and by the meaning tagi sugi chanchi maogi su displace pesub sina. So if an tagi sugi ogi su displace pesub the low only then reaction will take place. So another tawaziwachina. So this indicates that the highly reactive will be able to displace the lowest reactive. So when highly reactive halogen displace the lowest reactive halogen, reaction will take place. Meaning fluorine gi chlorine display fluorine gi di chlorine bromine iodine displace besup. Chlorine gi di bromine and iodine besup. The bromine gi di iodine chamchi besup. So displace besup chemical reaction will take place. And so this is what you need to keep in mind. On the other hand, so lowest reactive halogen will not displace the highest reactive halogen. So which means ana holo yemi sugidi ya tagi di bemi so sina ana holo reaction holo yemi least reactive gidi highest reactive halogen disu bemi susi. So highest and lowest reactive halogen highest reactive halogen disu displace bemi subdara no chemical reaction will take place. So the only concept same questionilla. So the question of the gatibiduta. So the lamio is this reaction possible? Selamio question which means iodine gi chlorine di displace space to go similar. So langachitaki landalo. So andalo. So question gachilamela bachin. Ani iodine gi chlorine di displace space to go similar. So answer is sunimegala. So that's not highest reactive chamche ogisu base is least reactive highest gisu be mesius. So which means answer is no. Displacement, so reaction will not take place because iodine is less reactive than chlorine. So reaction will not take place. So on the low, iodine cannot displace chlorine. So reaction will not take place.